Grabe. From there, ayun pa yung nasa baba.
Hi guys! Once again, it's adventure time! For today's vlog, we're taking you on a hiking trail at Moro!
Hi guys! Let's start with the downhill view. Otherwise, puro lang puwet ni Kelly makikita nyo. At ang malaki kong ilong. So, tara!
And now we're starting to head down so we could move to another location. And the spot is quite tight, to be honest. So imagine getting here in winter. It's indeed slippery. Bran is leading the way, followed by Kelly and Juvie. And on my right is a magnificent view. Wow, see that gorgeous view? We came all the way from that horseshoe bend. See how steep it is? Brent, don't skip. It's another tight section of this.
So guys, dito na pala yung drop-off and pick-up area ng shuttle bus and obviously the starting point. This time, balikan natin yung hiking trail pataas. So come on, let's do this! Sama-sama tayong hihingalin, uuhawin at bilangin natin kung ilang steps. Ayun, at napag-iwanan na tayo. Nauna na yung dalawa. If you look closely and read carefully, may warning sign dun sa baba na people have died here. Most especially during winter season kasi it's slippery. Grabe, mga ilang steps pa lang pero medyo hinihingal na ako niyan. Anyways, nakakatakot naman talaga pag winter ka magpunta. Imagine mo, madulas ka dito. Tingnan nyo. Grabe, sobrang taas na niyan. Siguro mga nasa 5,000 feet. Nax naman. Anyway, alam na alam. And estimate ko lang kasi yung taas daw 6,000 feet. Medyo malayo na nga. Pero malayo pa. Malayo pa yung tuktok ko. Bawal sumuko. Kaya natin to. Keep going. Tara, dito tayo guys. Tingnan nyo. Parang naka-horizontal lang siya pero vertical view yan. Grabe, sobrang taas. If you have fear of heights, nako, I'm telling you, wag na kayong pumunta. Kali, mga batang to, nauna na. Walang takot din. Whoa, so steep. Be careful, you don't fall. Kuya, come here. Oh, this is dangerous. Look, watch your steps. Oh my, see Kali? Scary, huh? Okay, keep going.
It's tight in here.
Kuya, How many steps now? You lost count?
It's more than 100. 436. It's more than 100, Mom.
All right.
436 steps, Mom.
Oh,
Are you kidding me?
Ow, for the stairs.
don't worry. It's a lot easier going down.
I cannot even talk.
Hi guys. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong hingal moments. At nakakalaki siya ng ilong talaga ha.
I can do this.
Drop your phone.
Yes, malaglag na yung bag mo, honey. Huwag yung phone. Kelly! Ito, ara, nag-una na po. Water break. Oh my. Few more steps and we're gonna be up there.
It's beautiful.
See?
Wow.
Wow!
Have you seen those houses? We've been there. And look, see, those are.
Oh my.
Those are.
You can't even see our house from here.
Sabi mo, huwag kang mag-alala sa parking natin.
What time is it?
Hi guys, need natin mag-rest. Pagod ka na ba? Ipahinga mo lang yan.
Thank you, Lord. 1 to 25.
Hi Kelly, thank you Lord for the strength.
And 100 steps.
It's more than 100. Naalala ko lang, last time na nag-hiking kami was in Israel and that was last year. And if you've seen my vlog, Israel vlog, sabi ko pa noon, I really want to go hiking but then maliit pa si Kelly noon, hindi pa niya kaya. So we stayed in the lower section of the hiking trail. But this time, thank God, at lumalaban na sila sa mga ganitong adventures. It's very steep, huh? Careful Kelly, you don't want to fall down.
I'm doing.
Oh, okay. At ayan, sumasagot pa. She knows what she's doing daw. Nako, ewan ko sa'yo, Kelly. Pero in fairness, believe din ako sa batang to. Walang takot. Mana sa pinagmanahan. Grabe. From there, ayun pa yun nasa baba. Ay, grabe. Pagod na ako. Pero, konting tiis na lang. Oh. Yeah. Kelly, wait for Mama and Daddy. Ay, nako. Honey, please.
Kelly, be careful.
Honey, see, it's very steep. Okay. You want to stop there? Don't lean, okay?
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 31,
Oh, what happened to your counting, Kelly? Mali-mali na. Where are we? Oh no, wait. Ito, mukhang malapit na talaga. Hang on, guys. Kaya natin to. Wow. Laban lang dyan tadeng dapita. Yung dalawa walang kapaguran. Ako sobrang hingal na. Kailangan nating panindigan na kaya natin to. Almost. See yung trail. It's very rocky. And one wrong step, you're gonna be right there. Kapuya. Uga na kayong tutulan ba? Whew.
You're almost there.
Thank you.
Almost there. Two
Thank
more
you.
times.
Thank you, sir. Oops. Nahilo na. Dito pala. Grabe. Napag-iwanan na ako ng mga bata. Whew. Sino kaya gumawa ng trail na to? Eto, palikuliku pa. Nakakahilo na, nakakahingal pa, at nakakalula pa talaga. Grabe, lahat na lang. Whew. At ito pa guys, kita nyo, sobrang sikip din. Grabe talaga. Grabe makalis nga gugilong. Eto, may pa-warning ulit sila. Area of extreme danger talaga. Hi, sa wakas.
We're here!
Finally! This is now the end point, the summit. Tara, dun tayo sa dulo. Hi! Woo. So guys, this is it. Super nice ng view. Ang ganda talaga. Sorry, but my phone camera doesn't do justice. Pag may chance, puntahan nyo na lang. So lesson learned, kung napagod ka na, learn how to rest and when to stop. But don't you ever dare giving up on your dreams.
Till our next family adventures.
Bye!